Ripping paper isn't just fun, it's a finger workout in disguise. Let's build strong, coordinated hands, one tear at a time. This fun activity strengthens both hands and help your child build finger strength and control, perfect for early writing and self-care skills. Give your child a piece of paper and show them how to tear it into strips using both hands. Let them feed the pieces into a toy or hungry animal box to make it fun. Start with tissue or soft paper and offer help holding the paper steady if needed. You can pre-tear a small notch to guide them. As your child improves, ask them to tear along a drawn line or tear out a shape. You can also make tearing art or collages. It's simple and it's sensory, and it strengthens the very muscles your child needs for writing, zipping, and all kinds of daily skills.